ito naman, Doc Rica, moving to, yun nga yung being educated about sex. So meron tayo ngayong yung Comprehensive Sexuality Education na is also, I think, based sa Responsible Parenthood and Reproductive Health Act of 2012.
Galing mo talaga mag-research.
Yes, of course. So, it's very timely kasi this is being talked about right now in the Senate. So, ano po yung opinions niyo regarding that? Is it effective? I don't think it's being implemented
Madami
yet.
akong opinion. Pero
Go, ilabas niyo na po
I think
yan.
it's being implemented kasi it's in the law. And I applaud the DepEd and Senri and everyone who's going through I think it's being implemented because it's in the law, right? And I applaud the government for doing everything that they can. However, meron lang ako mga nakikitang problema with, syempre, how it's being handled in schools. Kasi minsan, mahirap talaga yung training for maging isang sexuality educator. Lalo na kung nanggaling ka dun sa kultura na hindi siya pinag-uusapan, nakakahiya siya. So I guess we need more training, more push, and more implementation. But we will get there. I think we are getting there.
Pero Doc, sa anong age yung best siguro na ma-educate yung isang bata?
Okay, ganito kasi yan. Ang Comprehensive Sexuality Education, hindi lang siya tungkol sa sex as intercourse. A lot of people think that it's just that. Masturbation, intercourse, yun lang yung pinagsasabi nila. Yun lang pinagsasabi nila. Galit na no? But sex really is about a lot of things. 8 categories yan. I won't go through them one by one. And the start of it should be at 0 to 4 talaga. And the moment, I tell people, sex education starts when education starts.
Yeah.
So the moment you teach your child paa, tuhod, balikat, ulo, you should also teach them pepe, kiki, di ba? Yung mga ganong bagay. Kasi, kailangan ma-normalize sa kanila yun.
Yeah.
And that's sex education. You should also teach them kung ano yung proper na hawak sa katawan nila, di ba? Kasi paano kung may ibang taong may humawak sa kanila tapos hindi nila gusto? Na inaabuso na pala sila. That's sex education. You should also teach them about families. Ano ba yung mga klase ng pamilya na loving and caring and respecting of one another? That is sex education. And those things, you teach that, di ba, at 0 to 4. So yun. Parang, dami kong thoughts.
True. Tama yun.
Yun talaga. Kailangan makita ng mga tao na ang comprehensive sexuality education, it's age-appropriate, and it's not just about the body. It's not just about intercourse. It's not just about pleasure. Not just about masturbation. It's about living as a decent human being.
Yes, I love that so much. Like even because babies, no, their oral, their mouth, they put a lot of things in their mouth, and that's actually part of their growth na ano, di ba yung oral, yung di ba?
Oral face,
Yes.
genital face,
Diba?
ganyan.
Meron nga din ako nakita before na parang yung children, parang may tendency kasi for them to touch their private parts. And it's not sexual. It's because it's something new that they're experiencing for the... sorry po. Kaya, yun. Ang sad lang that there's a lot of pushback against it, especially right now. I don't understand why certain groups are trying to spread lies and fabricate misinformation. Parang it's just so sad na why are we hindering progress?
Yeah.
Why are we hindering progress? That's actually the question. Just to let people keep them ignorant. I wanna add on to what you said, yung children, toddlers, diba, touching themselves. And it's not sexual at all. It's not sexual. It's more of, exploring the body and also finding out na, nakakakiliti pala to.
Relate ako. Ganyan din ako.
Oo, din, napapagalitan ako dati.
Ako din. Mga siguro early primary.
Oo, 4, 5. Oo.
Mga senior kindergarten
Yan,
to like
yan,
mga
yan.
grade 2. Hindi dahil nag-masturbate ako or anything, hindi ko rin ma-explain.
Oo, saka na yun, later pa yun.
Pero ngayong mas malaki na ako and I read about it, doon ko na-realize na, yun pala yun. Parang, gusto ko lang siya hawakan, hindi dahil whatever, I feel pleasure or anything, but it was just something interesting.
It's nakakakiliti. It's like, kinikiliti mo yung kilikili mo or kinakamot mo yung makate sa likod. It's just that. Pero, nilalagyan ng mali siya ng
Yeah.
mga tao. Okay, dahil mahilig ka sa research, ito, gusto kong i-research mo, ha?
Okay po.
Yung, that masturbation actually starts in utero. So, yung mga fetuses, sa loob ng wombs, diba? They touch their genitals na. And, kung lalagyan mo pa ng mali siya yun, ewan ko na lang. Diba?
Wala kang consciousness yun,
Oo. Tapos makikita mo, may mga videos on ultrasound, may mga pictures, para maintindihan natin that it's really innate.
Yeah.
Touching our genitals, it's innate. And it's the moment that we put malice into it, kunyari, naging sexual siya after puberty. Tulad ng sinabi mo. Yun na yun. Parang okay, kung yung nahuli mo yung anak mo na nagsasalsal dahil 16 years old siya, hindi pagalitan mo kung hindi yun yung values mo. Sabihin mo, alam mo, pupunta ka sa impyerno, good luck. Diba?
Yes.
Yeah.
Nasa sayo na yun. But to hinder progress, hinder education, hinder science, for everyone to learn, just to impose your propaganda, medyo mali naman ata.
Yes, that's really
Nilalagyan
true.
nyo ng mali siya yung bata.
Totoo.
Bata,
di ba
hindi niya
katiri?
rin ginagawa niya.
Facts.
Walang
Facts.
ginagawa ko nun, ha?
Ako din,
eto
Pap.
Doc, ako din po. Meron din ako. Matagal ko na itong pinag-iisipan din. Yung with parents sa mga bata, ano po yung opinion nyo or do you know yung, if may scientific backing, yung pagbigay ng nickname sa mga private
yeah, yeah.
parts.
No,
Kasi
no, no,
my
no.
mom, tawag niya talaga Pepe. Like, hugasan mo yung pepe mo. Ganon.
Oh,
Walang flower, walang ganon-ganon. So, ano po ba yung
Nicknames.
opinion nyo regarding
Yan,
that?
katulad nung sinabi ko kanina, di ba? Paa, tuhod, balikat, ulo, pepe, tite.
You call it what it is.
Yeah, we have to call it using the scientific term, the proper body parts. If you call it like yung pek-pek, puke, ganyan, okay lang. Kasi yun talaga yung tawag doon. Bakit? Kasi kapag sinabi mong flower, ano ba yung June?
Oh, iba-iba
diba?
eh.
Birdie.
Birdie.
Ganyan.
Yung mga bata,
Pizza.
kunyari may humawak sa kanila.
Yeah.
Ito yung mga nagiging studies. May humawak sa kanila, tapos sasabihin ng bata, uy, someone touched my June, o may humawak nung June. So yung mga magulang
Parang
hindi
joke,
nila alam.
yeah.
Oo. So hindi nabibigyan ng seriousness yung mga ganong bagay. So it can, when we talk about the proper body parts, it can actually avoid sexual harassment, molestation, abuse for children who can't really say accurately what they're feeling and what they're experiencing.
I think nga po, this is part of the pushback against yung CSE and the Prevention of Adolescent Pregnancy Bill. Kasi bakit daw nagsistart kasi K-12 curriculum, bakit daw nagsistart sa kinder? Katulad nga po ng sinabi ninyo, sex education should start when education starts. Kasi the kids are out there na eh. So they should learn about it. It's their body.
It's their body and their relationships, di ba? Nakikipaglaro sila. Paano kung kunyari yung kalaro nila, bahay-bahayan tayo. Nakita nung kalaro nila yung magulang na nakahubad and whatever. So they try to do it with themselves. Kung tinuruan mo yung anak mo na hindi dapat ganyan, di ba? Wala dapat hahawak sa katawan mo. Ito yung private parts, ito yung kiki mo, walang hahawak, pepe mo, walang hahawak, masusumbong niya sa'yo. So, magagawa ng paraan agad. Diba? O kaya, siya mismo sasabihin, wag.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tama talaga.
And obviously, kung ano yung ginagawa natin considering if you look at the statistics sa teenage pregnancy, tumaas pa from yung last na release na statistics ng 2023, mas mataas pa yung teenage mothers under 15.
Yes.
So obviously, what we've been doing hasn't been working.
Galing mo talaga mag-research, no? Yeah!